Alright, showing you the bike today. End up putting the cooling fan in. So it is installed. Connected everything. But I have not connected this switch up here yet. Because it looked like somebody had already tapped into where the switch was supposed to go. So I gotta do a little, take some wiring diagrams so I can get that running right. Because when I took it to the shop, they already hooked the computer up to it and made it where the fan, will work on the screen and everything. Showing you that everything's cleaned up now. I got my ECU tray back in. So the only wires I got hanging here, like I said, these are for my saddlebag lights. This is for my speakers inside the bag, the two there. And then this is for my LED speakers. That's all hanging on that side. Then on this side, you see it's got the same thing. So saddlebag lights. Probably zip tie this on up. Clean that up a little bit better. Once again, speakers on the inside of the bags and LED speakers. I took the cable out, all that cabling that I had for my trickle charger. I had that extra cable in there, I took that out. Now I just got it back to the OEM status. The camera box that you saw I had up here, I put it in here. I just cut a little bit out right here, and it fit in there perfectly. It looked like it was supposed to be there. That's actually where your smart siren goes, if you were to get one. But of course I don't need the smart siren because I have the GPS tracker. So anytime the bike is touched, I get an email with motion detected and the GPS location. So everything's pretty much cleaned up. Like I said, I'm gonna check some wiring now and get my switches hooked up. And then that'll be it for that cooling fan. All right, see ya.